Let's cut across to the live visuals. Live visuals coming in from Tamil Nadu. Prime Minister is on his 2-day visit to the state. Crucial visit to Tamil Nadu, 2-day visit. Today is the second day of the visit, and today Prime Minister is going to attend the festival as well. Today, Prime Minister is honouring the memory of legendary Chola king Rajendra Chola I. Now today, on the second day of his Tamil Nadu visit, Prime Minister Modi is all set to attend the 1,000th anniversary of the Gangetic conquest of King Rajendra Chola I. Now the event taking place at the Brihadeshwar Temple, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and comes as a part of Prime Minister Modi's big Tamil outreach. In fact, to mark the occasion, Prime Minister Modi is also going to release a commemorative coin honouring one of India's greatest emperor. And in line with the occasion, we can see on the visuals the exhibitions that have been lined up for the Prime Minister. A photo exhibition essentially by ASI. It is covering the expedition of King Rajendra Chola's first Gangetic expedition and also Kadaram expedition. And currently, Prime Minister taking a stock of the situation, going through the exhibition as well. This is essentially a photo exhibition that has been put up by ASI. And currently, Prime Minister Modi is present at the Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple. With this occasion, he is marking the 1,000th anniversary of Gangetic conquest of King Rajendra Chola I. Here you can see the officials explaining to him the photo exhibition and the kind of sculptures that have been put up. Remember, Chola dynasty is known for its bronze sculptures essentially, and we can see the photo exhibition and also the sculptures that have been displayed at the temple today. He's also going to attend the Adi Thiruvathirai festival later. Visuals on your screen showing you Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the second day of visit. He's taking a stock of the exhibition that has been put up. Now the exhibition talks about the glory of Chola dynasty, their architecture, their culture and their heritage. And Prime Minister taking a look at the exhibition that has now been put up. Remember, visuals also showing you the bronze sculptures. Now Chola dynasty is essentially known for the kind of technique, for the kind of fine art that they brought out through their bronze sculptures. Mr. Modi is currently visiting Brihadeshwar Temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram. A lot of preparations have been made for the Prime Minister's visit. Now, this specific temple that he's visiting, Brihadeshwar Temple, it's located in Gangaikonda, Cholapuram, and it's been built over 1,000 years ago by the great Chola Emperor Rajendra Chola I. And today, Prime Minister present at the site to honor the legacy of this Chola Emperor. He's also going to offer his respect and prayers to the main deity of this temple. Currently, you can see Prime Minister Modi observing the architectural and cultural magnificence of the temple and also going through the exhibition that has been put up. Photo exhibition essentially. Now it is said that this temple specifically, while the lingam at the Thanjavur temple represents the male aspect of divinity, the lingam at this temple, that's Gangaikonda Cholapuram, it symbolizes the female aspect. In fact, a very unique feature of the sanctum is the Chandrakanta stone, which is embedded in it. Now, the special stone keeps the lingam warm during winters and cool during summers. Interesting tidbits about the temple that the Prime Minister Modi is visiting currently. In fact, another marvel of the temple architecture is that sunlight falling on the forehead of the grand Nandi here, the statue of Nandi essentially, outside the temple travels a distance of 200 meters to shine directly on the main Shiva Lingam inside the sanctum. And this very precise alignment is considered a pinnacle of architectural excellence. Now, Prime Minister Modi on the second day of his Tamil Nadu visit, currently touring and witnessing the splendor of the remarkable temple. Brihadeshwar Temple, which is of course a symbol of India's rich heritage and artistry. Earlier also we saw him on his way to the airport. He held a very short roadshow as well, which of course holds significance, political significance a lot in the state, which is set to hold elections. The visit, remember, also comes as a part of his big Tamil outreach. And this visit just comes after his successful visits to UK and Maldives, and then yesterday he launched a series of infrastructural projects in the state, and today he's going to attend the festival at the Golgaikonda temple. Well, that was Prime Minister Narendra Modi observing the architectural and the cultural significance of the Brihadeshwar Temple at Gangaikonda, Cholapuram.